So after installing OneDrive from Microsoft Store, whenever you try to launch it, if you see this error, oops, something went wrong, then please follow the steps shown in this video. To fix it, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Now once you open Microsoft Edge, now go to this link. The link is provided in the video description, that is onedrive.live.com. Go to this website. It will take you to sign in page. Now click on sign in. Now once you click on sign in, it will be asking you to log in with your Microsoft account. So enter your OneDrive email and password over here. Now once you log in with your Microsoft account, on the top right here you can see three dots. Click on these three dots and then go to apps and then click on install Microsoft OneDrive. Click on it and then click on install and let the installation complete. Now once it is installed, now you can, if you want to pin to taskbar, you can. If you want to pin to start, you can. Click on allow or don't allow, and then you should be logged into your OneDrive. So this is how you can use it. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.